Hey guys, Roger with Grower Solution. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the soil testing kits, and we're going to do a comparison on these, but I had a lot of people ask us about how to do a soil test, how to go about using the MySoil soil test, and actually I got one from the University of Tennessee extension agent for this is their soil test kit. We're going to go on and send one of these in, do this also, just so we can compare these, see how they come out. But what I've done is I've gone out real quick, out and made several samples, but one of them is in a garden area. And in this garden area that's probably about 3,000 square foot, I've taken about a half dozen samples. And what I've done is I've done a hole about 6 to 8 inches deep and then tried to get a sliver. Tim's going to put a picture in there of the sliver on the shovel, and then you take that and you mix it up. You get all of those, you mix them all up real good in a 5-gallon bucket. Now if you have a soil sampler, a probe, you can do that also, but shovel, I've done it with a shovel so many years. As long as you get, and there's arguments about this, there's a lot of discussion, anywhere from 4 inches to 10 to 12 inches deep. I tried to go about 6 inches deep and get that sliver, and you mix it all up. You can probably see it in this box. This is already mixed. The other thing, when you're getting your sample here, make sure that you don't have any organic matter as far as debris like roots and stem, things like that. You don't want to have that. Of course, you got your kit here and your registration. But if you notice, you've got the little container that's got the water in it, the preservative in it, and then gosh, it's hard to get out, but we've got a little cup. And we need you to fill that cup up with soil, just like measuring cup. I'm gonna set it down, and then you're going to break the seal. So you're gonna open it up, and then you're just gonna take your cup here and fill it in. And I'll be honest, I've got some stem in there. It should be fine. And then just kind of shake it up a little bit and close it up and go on and put it in your envelope, and it is prepaid, and drop it in the mail. That's all you have to do. You'll be able to check this out on the computer here in a couple weeks, I'm going to say. Is that not correct? It's a couple weeks. 2 to 3 weeks is what we're thinking. So we're going to do another video and talk about the results. I know we've been meaning to do this, but we're going to compare both of these and see what the difference is. Also, the 2 different results from the 2 different areas that we've done. One in the garden spot, and then I'm doing one, actually I'm not doing a raised bed because I've already done those, but I am doing one of a pasture. I am getting ready to, I want to lime, and I want to see how they come out on that also. Now, we're going to do the same thing here with the University of Tennessee one, but I can tell you they need more soil, so we'll do that also. I've actually am going to do a couple of these because I did a garden spot, but then I did a raised bed. Now, if you're doing a raised bed, remember, good example, some of these raised beds here, they're only 4 by 8. You want to get sample from about 4 places in that bed, mix it good together, incorporate it good together, and then take a sampling same way with your little cup to do that. So hopefully that'll help you. Thank you as always. We appreciate your business. Hey guys, have a good time. Sorry about the wind in the background. We've been having a little bit nasty weather. Bye-bye.